First, we will take 30 grams of poppy seeds and add lukewarm water to it. After soaking it for 5 minutes, we will make it into a smooth paste in a food processor. Now we will cut the potatoes into dices and cut the peach gourd. Now in a heated kadai, we will add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once it heats up, we'll add a dried red chillie. To this, we'll add the Bengali 5 spice or the Panch Foron. Once the spices crackle, we will add the diced potatoes and fry them for 2 minutes. Now we will add the cut rich gourds and we will fry it for next 2 minutes. Keep frying them over high heat, and once we notice that the juices of the vegetables are coming out, we will reduce it to the medium flame and cover it and cook. After frying them for another 2 minutes, we can see the juices from the vegetables has released. To this, we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili paste. Remember, this step is completely optional and you can skip it if you want. Now we will add salt to taste. The vegetables will cook well in its own juices. You can see the potatoes are well done here. Now add the poppy seed paste we had made earlier and stir it into the gravy. Now we will add a quarter cup of water, as I want my gravy to be smooth and creamy, and also add some chilies to it. Now on medium to low flame, keep reducing the liquid in the gravy until the oil separates. In the meantime, let's learn the history behind this Bengali comfort food. The history of poppy seeds, known as posto or khaskhas in Urdu in the Indian subcontinent, is fascinating. Originally used in Ayurveda for medicinal purposes, the poppy plant's opium properties were discovered during Akbar's rule, leading to its use as a recreational drug and inspiring art. The tiny kidney-shaped poppy seeds were initially discarded as waste after extracting opium gum. However, Mughal kitchens found that poppy seed paste could thicken dishes, and it was incorporated into kormas and gravies. With British colonization in 1757, the Bengal region of India became a major hub for commercial poppy cultivation for opium trade with China. Indian housewives creatively utilized the surplus poppy seeds by creating a nutty paste that married well with mustard oil, becoming a staple in Bengali cuisine. Dishes like potato and rich gourd cooked with poppy seeds gained popularity, along with spicier options like piyaj posto and rosun posto. Posto was also deep fried into fritters. The paste was used similarly to nut paste and fresh cream in North Indian cuisine, adding thickness and richness to gravies and curries, such as the famous rezala, a Mughal Bengali fusion that features poppy flavors combined with cashews and other spices for a luxurious meat dish.
Hey, look, guys, this is our friend Poto here. He's going to join us for the tasting today. No? You wanna go? Okay, go. He's not interested at all. Look, Jhinge Aloo Posto The color you can see, the vibrant colors, nice aroma it has. And I'm gonna taste it right now. And we got over here white rice. And this is urad dal. And our Aloo Jhinge Posto. Now I want to taste it, some dal, some rice. Daru. Blend of spices and this poppy seed paste elevates the potatoes and the rich gourd. The recipe of this will be in the description box below. And we at Ranna Roshmita is all about inspiring others to cook. So if you love our recipe, please share about it in the comments below. And thank you. See you next time.